Thevenin's theorem states that any two-terminal DC network can be replaced with one voltage source and a series resistor. Thevenin equivalent circuits are simplified circuits based off calculations made from this theorem. This process allows for much simpler calculation and analysis of circuits from the perspective of a selective element. This process can also provide much more perspective into the general behavior and attributes of the entire circuit, and can also allow speculation into how a certain circuit could be simplified and still achieve the same effect. In order to produce such a circuit, first you have to remove the observed section containing the element and elements being investigated and replace it with two open terminals. Then short all sources of voltage and open all sources of current. From this we can obtain a value for the Thevenin equivalent resistance by finding the total resistance from the perspective of the two terminals. By returning the power back to the sources, we can calculate the Thevenin equivalent voltage by finding the potential between the two terminals. This can be difficult, and it is best to keep in mind that the terminals allow no current to flow to any elements before or after the terminals in series. Now to show this process. So first, we replace the resistor with two open terminals and short the power source. Next, we calculate the total resistance of the circuit from the perspective of the terminals. This will yield the result of 4 ohms. This is now the Thevenin equivalent resistance. Next, we will calculate the Thevenin equivalent voltage. This will be used as the new source voltage for the Thevenin equivalent circuit. In order to do this, we need to give the power source power again. Then, we will find the voltage across the resistor by finding the voltage of the resistor in parallel. This is due to the fact that no current will flow to resistor 3 due to the open terminals. Now to find the voltage across R2, we'll use the voltage divider rule as shown. The resultant voltage is 6 volts, and this is our new source voltage. Now to convert the old circuit into an equivalent circuit. To do this, just draw a power source with the Thevenin equivalent voltage and a resistor in series with the Thevenin equivalent resistance. This is now complete. Thanks for watching.